One of the worst things you can do for a transmission is to get it too hot. And that could be for anything. That could just be daily driving, that could be hitting the trails and really pushing your rig hard to get up steep inclines or taking it through the desert at high speeds. You want to keep that transmission as cool as possible just so it'll last a long time. And what I have in this box may be the answer that you've been looking for. So let's get started. Welcome to the channel. I'm Nick, aka Dad, and if you're not a subscriber, smash that subscribe button because we're finding lots of tips, we're finding lots of tricks, and definitely lots of products that we're putting on our Bronco that you can put on yours. And this week is no exception. I found someone on Instagram who was running this, and I'd asked him, where in the world did you get that? And they said it was a prototype and they were just putting it on for the company for fitment and all that. So I reached out to the company and purchased one before they were even available. They are available now, and this is from CSF Radiator, but this is from their race group. So let's get to the unboxing of this item and show you what we've got here to put on our Bronco. All right, so from CSF, here is what we have. We've got styrofoam, but we've also got lines. We've got instructions. Over on this side, we have some brackets, bolts, nuts. We also have this block in here as well from CSF. And let's get to the real meat and potatoes of the whole kit, which is in this box here from CSF. And this is what we're talking about. This is their transmission cooler relocation system is what we're talking about here. Now that we got everything out here, let's go over exactly what we've got in this kit. First off, kind of the boring stuff, we've got brackets. Now the brackets definitely are made of what feels like aluminum because these are super lightweight, been powder coated black. We do have some rough edges, but I mean, again, it's a bracket. It's just holding in the oil cooler itself. Now, some of the other really cool items are like your fittings here. Now, the O-rings have already been installed on this, and it's super light. I mean, it almost feels like plastic as far as the weight, but it is made of aluminum and just a really nice looking piece. The other things are your motorsports style lines here. I mean, these are really, look like they're really race proven. And then also I read that CSF teamed up with Dime PSI for their quick connect fittings here. And by what I've read about these fittings, it's that they're able to hold up to 10,000 PSI, which is amazing. I mean, this system definitely isn't gonna be anywhere near that, but it's great to know that you've got these quick connects and you don't have to worry about having like box wrenches or fitting wrenches to be able to put the lines onto this. It'll just make the installation go a lot quicker too. Now, another thing that's probably the brains of the whole operation is this thermostatic housing that they have. Now, this block is made of CNC machined, what feels like probably aluminum. They've got their CSF logo engraved in here. You've got your connections right to this, which will be your factory connections, and then you'll have the lines that CFS is providing coming off of it. So this will sit pretty easily. I believe it's going to be down close to where the OEM cooler is at currently. But the other cool thing is, and another reason that they came out with this kit, besides one other we're going to get into here soon, is that this housing contains a thermostat, which your OEM does not have a thermostat in it. So on cool days, it takes the transmission a lot longer to get warmed up because there is no thermostat. And that's another reason they came out with the kit the way they did. So again, another really nice piece, really well done. Threads look fantastic. And if it's anodized or powder coated, either way, they did a really nice job on this block. Now, obviously, if the thermostatic block is the brains of the whole operation, then the oil cooler itself is definitely the heart of the whole thing. Now, this is an amazing piece. It's 11 rows of 8mm fins. It's so much bigger, and it's going to be put into a better location. And that's another reason why CFS came out with this kit. Some people may be asking, well, why don't they just run this radiator basically off of the stack style, kind of like the Raptor does? Well, the problem is that that stack style, it's got a ground clearance issue. I mean, it's probably one of the lowest things, close to it anyway, underneath your Bronco. So some people, when they're off-roading, have said that they've knocked that stack style cooler off there. So they just wanted to get rid of it altogether. And that's why they have the OEM lines running to the block and then running up to their oil cooler, just to give you better ground clearance. And then the other big thing is, not only are you getting better ground clearance, you're getting this oil cooler into good air, nice fresh air. It's not stuck behind any kind of skid plates. It's out in the open. It's able to get fresh air and keep your transmissions at a cooler temperature. And that's another thing. I had done some research, and they did some testing out in the deserts with another 2.7 Bronco. And I think the high temperatures they said were around 97 degrees. And typically they said they've seen people with anywhere from 200 to 215, I think is what they said in their research, as far as just normal temperatures for the Bronco transmission. But in their testing, you know, it was 97 degrees out. I believe it's 93 degrees ambient temperature. Running it out in the desert, they were able to keep it around 170, 180, I believe, the entire time. So this is going to be a great piece. The other great thing is it has a 2-year limited warranty. So again, they're backing their product that they're coming out with and taking care of the customers, which is huge to me always. And they're based out of California, which another US company kind of coming up with something here that just makes the Bronco even a little bit better. So for my final thoughts, they've done their research on this. They have got some great pieces here all put together to make your Bronco run cooler. And the biggest thing about transmissions is you don't want them to get too hot. And when you're on the trails, especially if you're doing some rock crawling and that, you can get them pretty hot pretty quickly. So I would say this is a great option for anybody. This could be great for the trail, but also keeping your temperatures cool on interstate driving, long highway driving, overlanding, whatever you may have. This will be a great kit. And don't forget to subscribe, because this will be an installation we've got coming up real soon. But as always, we appreciate you watching. We're going to find some more tips, we're going to find some more tricks, and definitely more products that we use on our Bronco that you can use on yours. So have a blessed day. Bye.